let's learn how to draw contour lines and contour map. At the beginning, we have to understand how the contour lines. Contour lines are lines that connect different points at the same height value of the location are connected by the same contour line. It is certain that both locations have the same height. So contour lines is actually connected the same value, for example, for the depth or the height or temperature or other parameters. Contour lines are generally used to topographic maps, and also for the depth is in isobath map and so on. For the temperature, we call it isothermal map, because contour lines isothermal isobath connect points with the same height and not intersect each other. This is an example of the morphology of a hill or a basin here with the same height here connected with contour line, and then this is the topographic map from this for morphology here. This is an example also of a topographic map. This one is an isobath map, the depth of a reservoir of rock. Also, this one is also isobath map, but the reservoir is deformed by a fault plane here, causes the contour lines shifted here. This is origin of the data from the depth, for example, and this is an example of isothermal contour map here. If we take a look at this picture over here, an example with. Let us learn how to draw contour lines and map over here. Suppose you have a map like this with the value for each point in here. First of all, we have to connect between those points with a straight line like this, straight rulers like this. First, we connect the closest points over here, like this here also. And the other one is also connected here. But to connect the closest point over here, you don't have to connect between this point over here. The closest only. You compare with this one, for example, with this one. This one is closer. So we connect this here within this point here, not this one here, Then also this here, the closest point in the maps. If we all connect the points in the map, we have a figure like this one here. We can see here the points already all connected between us here. Then the next one is by dividing the distance of this according to the contour interval which we will apply it in this map here. A connection between those 2 points inside the picture is called interpolation. But if we want to add points outside this, often we call it extrapolation for here. So this one is also extrapolation. By the same scale, we can divide. We can add the additional point here to extrapolation. The connection between these 2 points over here. For each point here, for example, we have 650 and 1000 here. We first measure with the rulers here. For example, is 3.5 centimeters here. Which also the difference is between 1000 and 650 is 350. So 3.5 centimeter, is equal to 350 meters. So 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meters here. So we can divide the distance here between 1500 to 3.5 here, 3.5 by using the rulers here, 3.5. So this one is 1000. So this is 900, 800, 700, and 650. Next, we start to how to connect the similar values here. For example, 900 to 900, 900, 900, and so on. You know, how can we connect it? We use it. We use French curve. This is what we call French curve here. By using the curve form over here, we can match with the point condition in this picture here. So if we enlarge 5 points in here. For example, just to have a figure an example how to draw contour line. We have this one here already. See here, this is 1200, and then 600 and 650. This one is 1000 and so on. We have 900, 900, and 900 over here, but going down here, 900 here. So we can match using as a quick imagination. We have to draw curve line like this, you know, and go down here, and here, and here. So we use, for example, this to match this point over here. We have going from here to going down here, 900 and 900 here. So we have to match which part of the curve could match this picture here. For example, here is here. We first connect with the 900 in here, and so on here. And then we have this one is to go down here. So we match this picture over here to have a picture going down like here, this here. We have to go down here. So we have to match this here, but we have to go going down like this. So we have to match this point over here like this, for example. To match the curve form like this, here, 900 and 900 and so on. So we have a contour line like this, for example, for 900, and the next we have to draw an 800 over here, and also for 1000 here, 1000 here, 1000 and 1000 and 100 and so on. So we can have a more complete contour line in the picture over here. The next step is by drawing all contour lines in the map. One is by connecting the points over here, and then divide it in interval contour over here, and also then we can draw a contour line like this after we mark the point to be connected by contour interval over here. In general, we can connect between points inside. We call it interpolation. But if you want to extend our map over here, we call it extrapolation by marking the lines here is similar with the inside contour interval over here. This is an example how to. First, we have to draw a mark over here according to contour interval over here, and then the same value is connected to, for example, 300, 290, and so on here. So we can have the picture like this here. And if we already draw the contour lines, the whole map over, we can have this one here. But to remember that we do not let the contour line to cross or cut each other like this. Contour line has different, has the same, in one contour line has the same height or depth or values, but do not cut like this different contour lines over here. Thank you very much for watching.